What up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Beautiful day, y'all. And my fall garden is ruined. Dang, dang, dang. Alright, YouTube, maybe I was being a little dramatic early, but I got a lot of dieback when the first freeze or first frost, however you want to call it, came through. So let's go through a little bit and let's be transparent about what's going on in the garden. It's always a good thing, transparency, right? Right. A couple of these got burnt really bad, but it ain't dead. It's still alive. Some things didn't make it. These were pepper plants. I'm just gonna break them off at the base. But yeah, R.I.P. pepper plants. Lemongrass, I don't think it's dead, but it ain't looking good. Rosemary, definitely not dead. Just got a little burn. It's got a little burn. Nothing big. Nothing big. All my turnip greens, burnt up. Burnt up. They're still alive though, y'all. Still alive. These are cold-hearted plants. They take a lick and keep on ticking. You know what I mean? That's what they do. All this is burned. Yeah, it's okay though. I got some more seeds planted there. A lot of birds. Big bird. Get out of here, bird. Doing a YouTube video. Carrabba. A lot of burn. Yeah, this carrabba is fine, y'all. Look at that big boy. That big boy ready to go in the house. You ready to go in the house, big guy? Let's go. Just got a little damage to the leaves, nothing big. These carrabba's still going in the house. My peas, this is what I was worried about really, cause peas are sensitive. But I still got my flowers on there. These peas looking fine, y'all. Go on, catch on. Hold on. You gotta get yourself together, man. There you go, hold on. So, peas did really good. We don't have a hard frost for another week or two. So I should be able to get some peas. Matter of fact, my pods gonna start forming. So that was a good idea. I was really thinking that was gonna be a bad idea. Couple things burnt up. We ain't worried about that stuff. We ain't worried about that stuff there. Oh yeah, ooh. We still good. We still good. Keep on ticking, baby. Don't worry about these veggies out here. Even this, I just brain farted what that is. I'll put it in there though. But that died back and she came up good. Yeah, I'll put it in there. Don't worry about it. My cabbage. So they got these starts. They fried or froze, whatever you want to call them. But they got a little green though. They ain't dead yet. Got a little green there. They ain't dead. They just look dead. They ain't dead. They just look dead. Oh no, we good. Oh, well, I don't know about, yeah. Focus, camera, focus. Yeah, we got green, we good. I need to worry about it. Some more cabbage, same thing. This snap back. I got one broccoli that snapped back. But that one there, R.I.P. You can go and get up out my soil. You gonna get out the soil. Garlic, love this cold. Garlic said built for this weather. Built for this weather. Don't worry about it. Yeah, a lot of frozen leaves. It's all good though, y'all. It's all good. Just die back. Just die back. Don't worry about it. But what this cold can't kill, this cold cannot kill. This old janky arugula. Boy, you can't kill this stuff if you try it. The only thing I wanted to die in the garden won't die. Look at that. Look at the radish. You can't kill these awful tasting things. Look at them. Just die. Just die. Other things fare very well. Lettuce built for this weather. Lettuce like this cold. But moral of the story, when you see this on your leaf, your plant ain't dead. It just got knocked down. It's like get knocked down sometime. That don't mean we out for the count. But this broccoli it's out for the count now. It's over. Not broccoli, I'm sorry. These were lima beans. I only planning to put some nitrogen in the soil anyway. So they're gonna return all that good nitrogen to the soil now. And it's what it is. But when y'all first come out here and y'all see that, don't pull your plant up. It's got green. It's not death. That is not death. That is a setback. See how that green in there? Now what if I would have pulled this up? Uh-oh, I actually pulled. Yeah, my bad. But these leaves here, it's just a setback. All that green sprouting back out in the middle of it. Outside look like that. Inside look like that. As long as that's the inside, you good. Kale, built for this weather. Built for this weather. And I can't believe these little seedlings didn't get any dieback. That's crazy. Little turnip green, 0 dieback. Of course, my garlic faring well. That's not even an issue. Endive, built for this weather. Got a couple burnt leaves on the outside. It don't even matter. Don't even matter. But what about the greasy leaf collard green, Rick? What about the greasy leaf collard greens? Are they okay? Thriving. Thriving. Took a little cold. Got caught off guard. But they thriving, y'all. They are thriving. Greasy leaf collard greens are fine. We ain't worried about this. And if you know, you know. Once those collard greens get that first frost on them, just kiss it with a little cold weather. It is delicious after that. That's all they waiting on. Yeah. Now this guy doing Swiss chard. I had to cut the leaves. These dead leaves, they froze up a little bit. It's already snapping back. Once they get a little size on them, they won't even burn like that. These beets, beets. But they already starting to come back. Got all that red color now. They ain't dead. Gee willikers. I don't know what I gotta do to kill them. Greasy leaf collards. Oh, they fine. Oh, they fine. One bad leaf. Let's just get that leaf off. I don't like seeing it on my greasy leaf. Get all them bad leaves off, y'all. Start over, baby. You okay? This bok choy is straight drama queen. Look at that. Man, tighten up. You want to go? How you going to seed and we just had a frost? Make it make sense. How are you going to seed and we just had a frost? Bok choy, I am so disappointed in you. Purpleated bok choy. I need to replant this somewhere else. I don't think this cement container is deep enough. So I'm gonna be planting that purpleated bok choy out somewhere, probably in the ground. Probably be doing that right after I finish this video. Now the other stuff, the same thing. Oh, look at these collard green. Oh, don't do it. Oh, what kind of collard? Oh. Now these are Morris headed collards. goodness gracious. Oh, y'all look good. My broccoli. Let me get a little dot back. Don't worry about that. Don't focus on the negative. Life is good, y'all. Some more big broccoli. Well, guess what? It got a secret. Oh, y'all been following the channel. Y'all know last year I got one broccoli head. The year before that, I didn't get none. Big win, big win, big win. Okay. Sugar cane, I'm not sure how this sugar cane game works. I don't know. It come up really late in the season. It comes up every year, but it come up really late in the season. And I chop it back 1 inch from the ground, and it grow back from all parts, but it never gets really big like the ones on TV. So I don't know. I'm just gonna keep chopping it. And I think after 3 years it ain't no good. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. I don't know. A lot more broccoli going on. Bro, look at that broccoli. Bro, look at that broccoli. And this is a asparagus root I accidentally pulled out. Yeah, it's gone. But anyway, moving on. Oh, that broccoli is pretty. How big is it gonna get? I don't know. We already getting side shoots though. I get side shoots before I cut the main shoot. I don't know. Gotta do some research. But that's the whole theme of it, y'all. These leaves, you still see them green veins in the middle? That means it's good. If it's brown with green veins in the middle, it's Gucci. Don't even worry about it. Couple trees I worry about going through the frost. I'm just not that sure about these trees. It's a loquat, golden nugget. I didn't know if it would fare well in the freezer. Came through like a champ. Now I want another loquat. All right, y'all, and this is a new garden bed I just dug. And I dig them all the same way. I dig out the space, go back with compost, a lot of organic matter, chop and drop, and I compost in place, dig a big hole and put my scraps in there. But look at there. Those are bush beans. The frost has zero effect on these bush beans. And anytime I plant a new bed, I fill it up with bush beans or any kind of beans that are natural nitrogen fixers, and get the bed started like that. So I'm starting the bed off with a lot of nitrogen, and I will be planting watermelons. Might do sweet potatoes in this bed too, or my cushaw. I'm not sure right now. But these are some free starts that I got. I'm gonna insert the video of when I got the starts for free outside of Ace Hardware. But these just a bunch of cabbages, man. I got a 24 sale tray of cabbage and collard greens for free, and I just put them in there, y'all. I'm gonna insert the video here. All right, y'all, these free starts. They said that freeze hit them or whatever. They don't look good enough to sell. If you know, you know. That's 24 free plants. That's a lot of food. Ooh, 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 ooh. And these, some of these free collard greens I got. Oh, they like it over here. Oh, they really like it over here. These are Morris Head collards. Let's get that old leaf off your butt. Yeah, that's it. Bro, how did the fruit trees do? They breeze through it. All these are cold-hardy citrus anyway. I'm growing from seed, so all them fine. But now this is my barometer. I don't even know if I use that in the right text. How cold this greenhouse get. These are papayas. These are tropical plants. Now, if these papayas take damage, then we got a problem. So I'm using these papayas to tell me how cold is really gonna get in here. Now I got a thermometer, but I always had this thinking, if it's 35 degrees, what kind of 35 degrees? All 35 degrees ain't the same. But if I can keep these papayas alive and no frost damage, then no citrus I have in here should die. Because these are tropical. These should be in zone 10 and up. If I can keep these alive, everything should be alive. So anything that die in here, I'm going to kill it. It's just a drama queen. You know what I mean? But everything looking good. And these pineapple guavas I got, I just had them in because I repotted them. They will be going in the ground first thing spring. Now every tree ain't doing good. Now we're gonna keep it all the way real. This Rakushu Mandarin or whatever, this tree been on a struggle bus since I got it. I even bought a brand new pot for it. I spent $19 for this pot. Great soil, 5-on-1 soil mix, everything perfect on it. But it's a drama queen. The leaves turning yellow like I ain't taking care of it. Yeah, I'm taking care of you. You better act right. Just saying, you're gonna be out there on the side of the road saying we'll produce fruit for food. Just saying. But something that I'm so excited about, my moringa tree. And this is my plan. If I, and it's producing more. Focus in. Boy, if y'all don't. Focus factor. And it's putting out new shoots. If I can get this moringa to make it through the winter in here, then I'm gonna put it in the ground. Yeah, that's my plan. Now 1 year of growth then in the ground, it should be able to last through our winters. Our winters aren't that cold, to be honest. Oh, somebody got some oranges on here. That's that seedless pineapple orange. Ooh. I'll be in here to get you in a minute, baby. Ooh, hold on to that fruit. All right, quick takeaways from the garden. Most of these plants that I got out here for fall gardening are cold hardy. Smaller plants might succumb to the cold weather, but the plants that got a little size on them, just get a little dye back, a little browning of the leaves. That don't mean they're dead. Don't pull them plants up. If you see green veins going through the leaves, those leaves are fine. That plant is fine. Leave that plant alone. Walk away from that plant very slowly. That plant gonna give you food in about 2-3 months. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you didn't enjoy the video, still hit the like button. You don't watch this for? You don't watch this for? What's the difference? Just hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the Broke Farmer channel. Bro, how did the fruit